Hey there coders, welcome to today's lesson on JavaScript. Today we are going to learn how to create a simple program that calculates the multiplication and division of two numbers entered by the user. Let's dive right in. First, we need to create an HTML form where users can input the numbers they want to multiply or divide. We'll use simple text, input fields and buttons for this. Next, let's define the multiply by function. This function retrieves the input values, multiplies them, and displays the result in the designated area. Now let's define the divide by function, which works similarly to the multiply function but performs division instead. Let's break down the code. We use document.getElementById to fetch the input values. The star and slash operators perform multiplication and division, respectively, and we update the result using inner HTML. In ES6, we can refine our code using arrow functions and const for variables. Here is a cleaner version of our multiplication and division functions. And that's it. We successfully created a simple JavaScript program to calculate multiplication and division. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe for more programming tutorials and lessons. See you in the next video.